When we first launched the 3Doodler, we asked the world to imagine a pen that could literally draw in the air. 2 years on, we've made the world's first 3D printing pen even better, with a new and improved version that's slimmer, lighter, quieter, and even easier to use. The 3Doodler heats, then rapidly cools plastic, allowing instant 3D creation. And with no software or computers, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. We've shipped over 130,000 first-generation 3Doodlers, and our community has used them to create amazing things, from jewelry to RC planes, fully 3Doodle dresses, architectural models, and even writing Braille. It was because of the support of this Kickstarter community that we were able to make the 3Doodler dream a reality. To say thank you, we've decided to bring 3Doodler 2.0 to you first. Completely redesigned from top to bottom and housed in a sleek aluminum casing, the new 3Doodler is the result of over 2 years of research and development, all aimed at giving you the best 3Doodling experience possible. The new 3Doodler is also packed with loads of enhancements, making it smoother, sleeker, and easier to use than ever before. We're also releasing exciting new accessories, including the Jetpack, a portable power pack that gives you the freedom to 3Doodle on the go.
Unlike other 3D printing pens on the market, Poly-S utilizes light curing technology. Photosensitive polymers are exposed to ultraviolet light. At the same time, this allows the Poly-S to avoid disadvantages found in other printing pens that use ABS or PLA materials. We have completely eliminated all high-temperature parts, so that drawing no longer means having to work with high-temperature 500°C tools. Our goal is to provide users with the safest experience possible. We believe that 1.2 inches is the ideal diameter for hand-operated tools. This provides users with the greatest degree of control when holding the tool with one hand. From the LED battery indicator and ink level port to the pen's elegantly designed concave pen tip, every aspect of the Poly-S has been designed with the needs of everyday users in mind, so that drawing is an enjoyable experience.
The world should be colorful. Poly-S's beautiful exterior should convince you to Poly-Yes. Say yes to a polychrome world.
Lix, the smallest and smartest 3D printing pen in the world. It is highly portable, with its small size and power cable that you can plug on any traditional USB ports. Lix is a pen, but not one of the ordinary. Having the three-dimensional ability, it enables you to doodle in the air. It has a perfect size. Just handle this small and smart pen once and notice that it fits perfectly in your hand, giving you extreme comfort and balance while you draw. Advanced technology meets beautiful design, from the sustainably aluminum body to the elegant technological core. Every detail in Lix combines beautiful engineering and meticulous craft. Some examples include accessories, decoration pieces, arts and crafts, artistic jewelry, fashion prototypes, and different forms of drawings. You can make anything out of it within just a few seconds. Essentially, Lix 3D printing pen has the similar function as of 3D printers. It melts and cools colored plastic, letting you create rigid and freestanding structures, which can be formed in any imaginable shapes.